we move to the next speaker, Mr. Tanvir Mirza. He's the Nagpur Ratna and president of Yoshidara NGO.
So thank you, TPT, Akram Saab, and all respected keynote speakers. And already excellent session was going on. With due respect, I'm just sharing my some of success stories in our area. Already there are a number of ideas, startups, initiatives, and a number of success stories are there. Uh, we at Yashodhara, we believe in this four fundamental principles: energy, environment, economy, entrepreneurship, and society. We believe that actually we are working on SDG number 13, action taken goal, and we believe that with the help of these four fundamentals we can achieve sustainability. And as far as this circular economy is concerned, I'm having some success stories of my area, what we call them as a C warriors, circular economy warriors. Next, can you please? Yeah, next, sir. Next. Already, the most important thing when we discuss about sustainability and all these things, what we think it is new to us. Actually, in our Indian tradition, already we were following this since last number of years. What we call it as aparigraha. Aparigraha is nothing but the new terminology sustainability. Aparigraha is all about the non-possessiveness and self-discipline. That what we need, only we have to take that much only. Next slide, sir. Next. Already we were using that leftover food. Next day, in our tradition, we were using curd rice in South India, dal paratha in North India, khakra in Gujarat. Even in our Maharashtra, we were using thali pits. So as Abhay Deshpande sir rightly said that there is nothing like waste in our concept. Everything is having value for someone. Next.
क्या होगा कि दो हैं जो मेरे 73 वाले.
So first that is from west our area, rural women are making this sweets that are fruit of patience. These are rural Bachat Gat self-help group women. They are preparing sweets in the name of Beach Patra. Some group of rural youth and rural women in Nagpur district started series of eco-friendly, exploitation-free, meaningful alternatives to the current modes of means of celebration. Without sweets and without crackers, our celebration is not. We can't imagine it, you know. But here in Nagpur, in rural area, they make innovation and they prepared sweets. These sweets are biodegradable and recyclable, made from waste paper and recyclable material. It is plantable and is already embedded with the live seeds, handmade by rural women. These are the best alternative to exploitative sweets, which are tasting bitter if you know the process of their manufacturing, their production. On the contrary, these sweets are seed balls made from waste paper and biodegradable and will grow in a consumable alternate source. Next. Next. These are the outcome. These are the sweets. Actually, these are the paper seed balls. Already they sold for 23 lakhs. Already sold this last Deepavali and other festivals. Next. Also, the rural women and youths are making this barud nahi beach chahiye hatchers. We need hatchers and not crackers. These all are firecrackers which are made from again eco-friendly process, pollution-free products, biodegradable, recyclable, and again made from waste paper, recycled material. They are all plantable, embeddable, and with seed and totally handmade by rural women of Nagpur area. See the beauty and see the products already. This micro green laddi again here. Every laddi is having this seeds embedded in. Next. Some group made paper seed calendars. These are the special papers. These calendars are made up of used handmade papers, having seasonal seed incorporated in it. When sown in soil and pots, grow into a little plants. There is a little bit magic in these pages. Already, a number of corporates had given attention to it and purchased lot of this paper calendar. One Before You TV channel also ordered to these calendars. Next. Next. Now, another crisis in waiting for us is after Corona is the wastage of this, along with plastic waste. There is a number of billions masks and PPE kits are waiting for us. Our peoples are trying to make bricks and tiles out of them. And this total waste contains biodegradable also, which create methane, which is 43 times hazardous than carbon dioxide. Number of campuses are converting this biodegradable biological material, kitchen waste, food waste into a gold, that is into a manure. Next. Number of college campuses, number of societies, they are converting this and they are selling and they are using this manure made from biodegradable. Next. According to the need, according to the space available, according to the resources, they are converting this. Next. Again here, rainwater harvesting done by students in number of area in Vidarbha and Nagpur by using plastic waste and waste tubing systems and PVC. Next. Sheets that HDP, PP sheets, pond lining, they are made of in maximum places. They are using it recycled one. Next. Now, some of our engineering students with their new startup, Anashwar, they made oxygen concentrator. They used it from the waste or the parts of gas analyzer. Already they are generating 96% oxygen. The flow is very satisfactory, 10 liter per minute, and it is really better than our Chinese concentrator which we are importing today. A good example of Atmanirbhar Bharata. They are waiting for the clearance from respected laboratories. Immediately after getting, they'll come into market. Excellent option, excellent solution given by students. Next. See the innovation and see the transformation. The student from junior college, they made but boot polish from banana peels. Boot polish, which costing not more than 4 rupees for 50 gram, chemical free, totally chemical free. Nikhil Magar and this Labade from Bora College, Pune, they had generated this concept and they got the best innovation award from HRD ministry. Excellent polish and excellent without chemical and without anything. Next. Now, as I told earlier, students are working on making bricks and tiles apart from this PP kit and mask. So there are number of stories, number of success stories. Public participation is there. With CSR, people are doing excellent, wonderful contribution. With non-profits, people are making innovative things. With change makers, we are getting new ideas and product in market as far as circular economy is concerned, as far as recycling is concerned. But there are challenges also. And on this occasion of World Sustainability Summit, I would like to request the Policy Times, Mr. Akram, Dr. Shekhar, I think he's not in this second session. Shekhar sir is also having a great affection for Nagpur and Vidarbha area. I humbly request all these dignitaries to kindly help us to overcome these challenges and to convert these opportunities. We need a help for promoting this to concepts to scale up this concept. Kindly use your offices for getting more and more help from policymakers. The practical conceptual framework, execution of conceptual framework is slightly difficult. Practical implementation is slightly difficult. More hackathon and more innovative promotion is required. Recycled domain from this corporate and the industry is not that much serious. They are not as far as corporate, as far as industry, as far as manufacturing sector is concerned. We have to make them more accountable in this domain. Awareness regarding positive impact of disposable for product and linear energy is required. We have to engage all stakeholders in this C boost up. Linear already we are doing more hazard and more loss to our ecosystem. Waste prevention target is must for our municipals, our commercials, our industries, and our household to be given. And government should accelerate. Already there are some formulation in policies is already there, but implementation, strict implementation and adoption procedure is not that much strong. So with your platform, I request to promote all these things, and there must be some panels and committees are required for comprehensive action plan, and sessions like this and live activities like this are more and more required. Thanks again the Policy Times, and thanks to all. Thank you so much. That's over.